Explain analogous system. Many systems are related to each other as they have identical linear equations. Such systems are called analogous systems. Thus, analogous systems are those systems that have identical linear equations. Now let's discuss various analogous quantities. We can see the constitutive relationships for various analogous quantities of the force, current, and force-voltage analogies. And the corresponding analogous equations are: an analogous electrical and mechanical system will have differential equations of the same form. For example, the electrical version of Ohm's law is E is equal to IR. And the mechanical analogy stipulates that E voltage is replaced by velocity, current by force, and resistance by inverse of friction. Now we will discuss the conversion procedure from one system to another. Firstly, let us discuss electrical to mechanical. Label all node voltages electrical circuit. Now replace the electrical elements with their analogy. Label currents, positions, and mechanical elements as they were in the original electrical circuits. In the same way, mechanical to electrical conversion takes place. The related term is